Morning, guys. I wanted to talk to you a little bit about how to use Google Advanced Search as well as Discus in order to start off your research on your chosen genocide. So, as you remember from yesterday, these are some of your choices to research. I've tried to pick the ones that would have the most information so it would make a nice essay. So, hopefully, you have picked one of these to do your research on. Remember that this is the portion, or this is how you are going to organize your essay. You're going to have an introduction where you define genocide, and then your claim will be night and whatever your genocide is are both examples of genocide. Okay, and again, this is a rough outline. Your first section, so this could be divided into several paragraphs or it could be one longer paragraph, but in section one, you're going to address who was involved in the genocide, what happened in them. So think about steps to the genocide, when it happened, where it happened, and what caused it. So was it like with the Nazis, where it was an economic depression and they needed to climb out of it, and they used racist stereotypes, etc.? Okay. Then section two, which will definitely be a separate paragraph, is going to be a paragraph where you compare night to your example of genocide. So you're going to look for things that you saw happen in night, two examples, and find two things that happened in the genocide that are like what happened in night. Okay. Then you'll have a conclusion where you're going to talk about the big picture of why we need to read night in order to understand genocide, why we need to make sure genocide doesn't happen. And then you're going to give me a works cited for each of the pages or each of the websites or Discus sources that you used. So this is your basic organization. So today, I really want you to focus in your notes searching on this part. Okay, and you may end up with some of this, but this is the big stuff I want you to focus on: the who, what, when, where, and what caused it. Okay. All right, so just to show you how to get started with this, I'm going to take you to your Canvas page. Okay, if you go onto the home page and you go to the night unit, if you scroll all the way down to the bottom of the essay portion, you'll see that I've posted two links. These are two YouTube videos that talk to you about how to use Discus and how to use Advanced Search. So when you click here, this will actually take you straight to the video, okay, and you'll play the video. And one of the reasons, and this is me walking you through how to use Discus. The login information for Discus is on the back board. And so you'll see that right by the alma mater and right by our to-do list for the day. Um, so the reason I did the video is so that you can pause it, much like you can pause this video, and it'll tell you, how to do the searching. So I want you to go through and watch the videos and figure out how to do the searching. Okay, so I think that that's really important. So you've got one on Discus. You've also got another one. I'll just go from the actual YouTube page, using Google Advanced Search. So yes, you can do a Google search for sources, but you need to do it in a special way so that you're going to get better sources. I really prefer that you use the Discus video that I posted. There's also an added bonus by using Discus. They go ahead and do the work cited for you, and all you have to do is copy and paste it into the paper. So I think that that's an extra bonus. Okay. So again, big thing that you're looking for today, as you read through the videos, so watch the videos first and use the videos to help guide you through, but you're looking for the who, what, when, where, and what caused it, okay? Some other things to think about are um, determining your claim, okay? Remember that all of your notes will be based on your claim, and so your claim is going to be that night and this other genocide are both examples of genocide, okay? And remember that these are your sections of the essay. You are required to have at least two sources, and one must be from one of the Discus databases. You can have two from the databases, but at least one has to come from there, okay? These are a way to take notes, so you could actually just write these down and then put your notes in between it, okay? Don't forget to list where you got each source from. So if you find out a when, put the article that you were reading or the author's title from Discus. And if I were you, I would go ahead and create my works cited page and go ahead and put my works cited into that back page. And then I can just put the author or the article's title here in my notes. And so I can already have that link between the two. Okay. So this is all you're focusing on today. Hopefully that'll get you a good start. If you have any questions tomorrow, I'll be happy to answer them. And I'll probably give you some more time tomorrow to do some additional notes. But I want to see what you get done today. All right, guys, have a great day. Thanks.